Hello everyone, today we are going to solve a question on similarity and congruence. As you can see here, we have two triangles that are similar and we are going to find the missing length, which is WZ. So let's get started. So since these are similar triangles, the ratios of corresponding sides will be the same. So let's get the corresponding sides that we are given so that we find the ratio, and we can use that ratio to find other values. So we have corresponding sides there, WZ and XY, and I can simplify them further. 6 into 6 is 1 into 18 is 3. So basically the ratio here of sides is 1/3 or 1:3. Now let us compare also the other side that is involved in finding the other length that we are asked for, which is WX. So the corresponding side is, we have VW to VX. Now VW is given is 10 and VX we are not really given. We can just say 10 plus WX. If we want, we can represent WX by just a simple small x, the value, so that we don't really waste our time looking for other values. Okay, so from here what can we do? We can simply say 10 to 10 plus x. So this ratio of these sides, it has to give us 3, which can be basically written as, so we can write it as 10 over 10 plus x. It has to give us the same ratio, which is 1/3. And then we do a multiplicative inverse of 1/10 plus x. Some say multiplicative inverse. So it will be 10 plus x is equal to 10 times 3, which is 10 plus x is equal to 30. We can subtract 10 from both sides of the equal sign, which is the additive inverse of 10, we use -10. So this side will remain with x. This side will have 30 minus 10. Then x is equal to 20 centimeters. Therefore, since the small letter x represents WX, therefore WX is equal to 20 centimeters. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.